choose to. Those are decisions we make. We're all accountable for our decisions.
Now, I know what y'all swore to.
You don't know what I swore to.
No, Constitution.
Oh, many other things. The Constitution is
no.
the Constitution is small. The Constitution is small. The Constitution is small. The Constitution is small. Feet in the car. Feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Beat me up.
No, you're doing it yourself. Put your feet in the car. Hey, put your feet in the car. Hey, you don't want your feet in the car? Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. You guessed it, the Dallas Police Department again. And another lawsuit has been filed against them. So some quick background before we get into the story. The Dallas Police Department receives a call that there is an active shooter. They rush to the scene. Understandable. When they get there, everyone confirms that there is no one shooting. But unfortunately, one of the customers, who probably had a little bit too much to drink, found himself inside of a conversation with one of the officers, the sergeant to be exact, and one thing led to another. Let me just tell you this sergeant does not appreciate a drunk guy telling him about his job and that he doesn't understand the Constitution. Let's see why. Let's watch this.
About the Constitution, reading laws and Constitution. Y'all don't read Constitution and all that. Y'all don't read about the proof. Y'all, hey, it's proof of Constitution. Get me locked up. Hey, cool. You can lock me up. Pull the paddy wagon out. I know what y'all swore to.
You don't know what I swore to.
No, Constitution.
Oh, many other things. The Constitution is small. The Constitution is small.
Two, y'all got laws. Y'all got laws, regulation, right? If I get in my car, if I don't violate none of that, you ain't have no cause to pull me over.
That's not true.
Yes.
But see, the thing is,
even sober, I don't think he has any idea how the law works.
No, but the thing is, we get arrested for PI right now.
That's what I was saying. That's what I told him.
And that's the thing.
Like I said, I wouldn't have let him get in the car to even try to
if he runs his mouth, that's when I arrest him. If he runs his mouth, that's when I arrest him. Here, I'll give you your proof. Let's go down and talk to the sergeant. Him and his proof. Go prove it now.
I have not committed a crime.
You're getting arrested for PI, for the intoxication.
PI?
Yes.
What proof do you have? What proof do you have?
It's very obvious that you were currently
What proof do
intoxicated.
you have? You have no proof. You gotta go to court. You gotta prove it. You have no proof. You have no proof. I ain't intoxicated. What? You have no proof? Bet. Yes, I am.
Handcuffs do not mean guilt. It just means you have probable cause.
Y'all got a probable cause. What proof do you have?
That's the proof determined in court. Beyond reasonable doubt.
Why I gotta get my hand?
Hey,
What you doing, bro?
stop. Let's stop.
Gonna take your
What's
keys
going
out.
on with that?
Because you're holding on to him.
Oh, that's
You
my
can't take
fucking
anything
thing.
with you right now.
Yeah, you don't get to have your property when you're under arrest. You understand how this works?
Hey, grab anything right there.
Golly, man. You want your shoe? Here. You want your shoe?
I
Put
pulled
your
out
shoe
a
on.
couple of his pockets, but I
Put your shoe
definitely
on.
have
You
them.
want your shoe?
Just do what?
Right there.
Is-
You want to step in your shoe?
Yes.
You want to step in your shoe?
I ain't committing a crime.
Do you want to step in your shoe?
What crime I committed?
Publicly intoxication.
What? That ain't a crime.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's state statute. It's not a crime. I ain't committing no fucking crime. What crime I committed? That's not a crime. That's a misdemeanor. That's not a crime. That's not a crime. That's not a crime.
That's all right.
I have not committed a crime. Rape, murder.
We need to turn out the cameras and all that before we actually do it. That's what I haven't fully heard.
Oh, yeah, wait, it's...
Oh, okay. It's okay. We'll pick them up and move them. Here, watch this. Watch this. No, this works.
And at this point, you hear the sergeant say, first he laughs, then he says, hey, watch this. This works. Now, this guy did fall to the ground. He is drunk. He is not cooperating, but he is not resisting aggressively. Is he passively resisting, as they would call it? Maybe. But is he on the ground, and does it call for him to have his wrists and fingers twisted and bent to the point of almost breaking? No.
I'm not fighting nobody.
Sit up.
I ain't fighting nobody.
All right, let's get
I
up.
ain't fighting nobody. I'm not fighting nobody.
Stand up.
You got my shoulders up.
Stand
God
up.
damn it.
Stand up.
I'm not fighting nobody. I ain't fighting nobody.
Oh, this car has a...
I'm not fighting nobody.
All right, go ahead.
He's
I
got
got pins in my hips.
okay, you sit straight across and sit all the way back.
My hips don't work like that.
Okay, just sit
It'll
down.
work.
My hips don't work like that.
Just sit.
No.
Just have a seat. We'll tell you how to
Listen,
manage it.
you can't tell me my hips don't work. My hips don't work like that, bro. My hips don't work like that.
Get in.
My hips.
Okay.
Put your hammer on.
Get in.
My hips don't work like that. Put your hammer on.
Sit down inside.
My hips don't work like that.
Get in.
I got bilateral hip surgery. I got bilateral hip surgery. I got bilateral hip surgery. My hips don't work like that. You push it on me.
Get in.
I got bilateral hip surgery. No, my hips don't work like that. I just told y'all. Get the paddy wagon. No,
Sit inside.
my hips don't work like that.
Okay.
My hips don't work like that. Got your hammer on.
Okay, get in.
Got your hammer on.
Get in.
Got your hammer on. My hips don't work like that.
I need you to
My
stop.
hips don't
Stop.
work like that. You. My hips don't work like that. I'm telling you. My hips don't work like that.
Yeah, he had Louisiana.
Yeah. All right.
Watch out.
All right.
Get your foot inside, man. Get your foot inside. Get your foot inside. Get your foot inside.
Why
Get,
you?
get your foot inside.
Why you hitting me?
Because you won't put it in. Put your foot in.
You ain't got no right to hit me.
And put your foot in. You're not listening.
You have no right to hit me.
I do.
No, you don't.
You're not listening.
No.
You want to cooperate or
You have
not?
no right to hit me.
Do you want to cooperate or
You
not?
have no right to hit me.
You're going to cooperate. I need you in the car.
You
I
don't
need
know
you
right
in the
to-
car.
Who are you?
I need you in the car.
Hey, what's your name?
I need you in the
What's
car.
your name?
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Hey, I need you in the car.
Every time you supervise,
I need you in the car.
your supervisor.
I need you in the car. Sir, are you going to cooperate?
Every time you supervise,
Get in the car.
why you hitting me?
Because you're not in the
Why you
car.
hitting me?
You won't listen. Get in the car. Get in the
Why
car.
you hitting me?
Get in the
Where
car.
your supervisor
Put your
at?
feet in.
Fuck
Put your feet in.
Supervisor.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Hey, those are little hits. Put them in. Get your feet in the car. I'll have to go harder. Get in the car. Put in the car.
Supervisor.
I'm here. Go in the car. I'm right here.
Supervisor.
In the car.
Supervisor.
In the car.
I need to talk
Hello.
to supervisor.
Okay, get in the car.
No.
Get in the
What you
car.
talking about?
Get in the car.
Bitch.
Put your feet in the car.
Supervisor.
Put your feet in the car.
Supervisor. I'm a slave.
Feet in the car.
Supervisor.
No, feet in the car.
I'm a man.
You're what?
I'm a man.
You're what?
I'm a man.
What does that mean?
Supervisor.
What?
Where your supervisor?
I'm right here.
Talk to me.
In the car.
You ain't the supervisor.
I am.
Find
Get in
me
the car.
another.
Get in the car.
Find me another one.
You're not getting another one. Get in the car.
That's fine. I'm not a slave.
Okay, you stay right there then.
Yeah.
I'll roll the window all the way up and lock you
That's
like that. Okay?
Do your job.
Okay.
It's not gonna go up anymore with this foot on
Do
it.
your job.
Yes, sir.
Do your job. Supervisor.
He locked up his leg.
Supervisor.
Feet in the car. Feet in the car.
Supervisor.
Put your feet in the car.
Beat me up.
No, you're doing it yourself. Put your feet in the car. Hey,
Supervisor.
put your feet in the car. Hey,
Supervisor.
hey, you don't want your feet in the car?
Supervisor.
Put your feet in the car.
Supervisor.
Put your feet in the car.
Supervisor.
Put your feet in the car.
Supervisor. I'm not a slave.
Get in the car.
I'm not a slave.
I nobody said you are. Get your feet in the car. Look, see how you're locking up your legs every time? Get in the car.
Supervisor.
Get in the car.
Supervisor, bitch.
Okay. All right, we'll just leave you like that if that's the way you're going to be.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Supervisor.
No,
Supervisor.
that's all you get.
Supervisor. Let's go. You got me handcuffed. Back seat. Supervisor. Beat my feet up. There they go. Beat me up.
Okay, you're going to be charged with resisting, sir.
That's fine.
All right.
Supervisor. Hell, I ain't got no goddamn crime. You got charged with a crime. What crime are you?
Resisting arrest.
No, resist.
Resisting arrest, that's your crime. Now you're being charged with a crime.
That's fine.
You got Garnett.
Supervisor.
This is the
Supervisor.
Yes, sir.
thing.
What a supervisor.
Right here.
I want to talk to you. What crime was committed?
I already explained to you. Are you too intoxicated to understand?
Right? What? I ain't did nothing.
I can't understand what you're saying. Say it again.
What? More than probably.
Rape? What would you consider rape? I didn't say you consider. I didn't say you committed any rape.
You know, hitting to the bench hole, you know, to manipulate me, to tell me, and question me, I ain't committed.
Yes, resisting arrest. Resisting arrest. See, look. Resisting. Oh, look. Oh, you won't get your feet. Oh, straighten your legs. Here. Oh, you're what? What's your point? You relaxed? Okay, keep relaxed, okay? Stay relaxed. You stay relaxed. Okay. All right.
So what was the outcome of this strange situation where a police sergeant decided to repeatedly strike the feet of a handcuffed man because his feet was hanging out of the window? He struck him 133 times. Well, the same as the results. Always. Nothing. Not only were the charges dropped, because when, we'll call him Cedric by his first name, when Cedric showed up for court, there were no charges ever filed. They could not find the charges anywhere. So the charges were never filed. He was brutally struck on his feet 133 times. And you guys may be like, well, it didn't seem that hard. If you've never held a baton, you would not understand. These things are solid, and they have a little solid ball on the tip of them, and it's designed for pain. So Mr. Cedric did file a lawsuit. They tried to sweep this one under the rug, but it came out because of the video. This happened in April of 2022, and finally in December of 2024, we get a chance to see what Sergeant Martinez of the Dallas Police Department did to a handcuffed man while in the back of his car. I just really want to know your thoughts on this. What do you think about this? Put it down in the comment section. See you guys next time. Always report the police, know your rights. With that being said, We the People University, signing off. Be sure to visit WeThePeopleUniversity.com, where you can find our latest YouTube videos, more about myself, why I left the police department, merch, and more. If you have a police encounter that you would like highlighted, visit our website and click the Submit Videos tab. Fill out the videos form submission so that we can hold these tyrants accountable. And if you guys still haven't purchased my book, Living in the Royal Tyranny, you can do so at WeThePeopleUniversity.com by clicking digital copy to read it right on your phone, or you can buy the hard copy or the paperback directly from Amazon. Also, be sure to pick up your free ebook to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with cops when you encounter them. And for those of you who are still trying to learn your basic rights, register for our course to learn how to deal with police so that your rights are not violated when you encounter cops. All this and more at WeThePeopleUniversity.com.